Hello friends, my name is Aradhya. Today I am going to make our lemon juice. Let's start it. Then we will take some water. Then we will take sugar. Then we will take salt. According your taste. And then we will squeeze a lemon. Then we will mix to every. Hello friends, today I will tell you how to make lemon juice. First, let's start it. First, take our water, then our sugar, see friends, our lemon juice is our lemon juice is ready. My name is Dimanshi. I want to make lemon juice. Let's start.
Say, doll, what are you doing?
Here,
Squeeze.
squeeze in water.
Next.
Add some sugar.
Right. Yes.
Then add
Salt.
some salt.
Yes.
Then with butter.
Yes. पूरा मिक्स करो डोल. आपने शुगर साल्ट ज़्यादा ना लिए ना? Now mix it. Now mix it. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Very tasty.
Don't say.